Good day everyone. Today I'm going to discuss my beautiful hometown of Sierra Leones, Bohol. The title is Experience of the Heart of Bohol and Sierra Leones. Guys, have you ever wanted to visit a place where you can relax, enjoy nature, and experience the simple beauty of the countryside? If you have, then Sierra Leones. Bohol is the perfect destination although it is not as famous as Panglao or the Chocolate Hills. This peaceful municipality has many hidden treasures waiting to be discovered, from its cool rivers and green mountains to its friendly people and rich culture. Sierra Leones offers an experience that every traveler will remember. It is a place where you can enjoy nature, taste local food, and feel the warm hospitality of the community. The first reason to visit Sierra Leones is its beautiful natural attractions. One of its hidden gems is Sigpit Boksok Lake, a peaceful lake surrounded by lush trees and fresh mountains air. It is an ideal place to relax, taking pictures and enjoying the quiet beauty of nature. Visitors can also explore the Wahig River, which is known for its clean water and scenic surroundings. The river is popular for outdoors activities such as kayaking and river tubing, making it perfect for people who love adventures and nature. The second reason is the delicious local food and fresh farm products. Sierra Leones is an agricultural town where farmers grow rice, vegetables, bananas, coconuts, and other crops. Because of this, visitors can enjoy fresh and affordable home-cooked meals made from locally grown ingredients. During fiestas and community celebration, guests can also taste traditional Boholanong delicacies such as calamay, suman, and other native snacks. Every meal reflects the hardworking lifestyle and rich culture of the people in the municipality. The third reason is the warm hospitality and exciting local events. The people of Sierra Leones are friendly, respectful, and always ready to welcome visitors with a smile. During the town fiesta and other community celebration, the visitors can watch colorful parades, cultural performances, sports events, and enjoy local delicacies. Since Sierra Leones is part of Bohol, visitors can also experience the province's famous Sandugo festival, which celebrates Bohol's rich history and cultural through street dancing, music, and cultural presentations. Other things that make Sierra Leone special is its peaceful atmosphere. Unlike crowded tourist destination, the town offers a quiet environment where families and friends can spend quality time together. The fresh air, green surroundings, and relaxing scenery make it a perfect place to unwind and reconnect with nature. Every visit brings a sense of peace and appreciation for the simply beauty of rural life. In conclusion, Sierra Leone's Bohol is a hidden treasure that deserves more recognition. Its beautiful attraction like Sikpit Buksok Lake and the Wahig River, delicious local food and warm-hearted people make it a wonderful place to visit. Whether you are looking for adventure, relaxation, and a change to experience authentic Boholano culture, Sierra Leones has something for everyone. I am proud to call Sierra Leones my hometown, and I hope more people will visit and discover its natural beauty, rich traditions, and unforgettable hospitality. Thank you.